Hello guys, today I'm gonna read a story about a unicorn without a friend. Okay, let's start. Welcome to Little Listener's Library. Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there lived a beautiful unicorn. The unicorn was a gentle and kind creature, and she lived in a wild forest, far from any towns or villages. The unicorn's magic helped protect the animals and plants of the forest from harm. Unicorn magic is the strongest under the light of a full moon. When some people say a unicorn's horn glows and shines with magical power. One day, the unicorn saw something she had never been seen before. A nobleman hunting in her forest. "Look!" shouted one of the hunters. "What's that?" A unicorn shouted. The nobleman, "Follow me!" The men leaped onto their horses, but even the fastest horses could not keep up, and the unicorn soon disappeared. But the crafty nobleman had a plan. He ordered his men to make a wooden pen at the narrow top of a narrow raven. A fox and a bear saw the men building their pen. They quickly found their unicorn friend and told her about it. Later that day, the hunting party caught sight of the unicorn. The riders set off jumping under or over falling trees that blocked their way. The galloping hunting party followed the unicorns through the forest and across the wide, fast-flowing water. As the unicorn continued to run swiftly through the trees, a hawk flew down next to her and whispered something in her ear. The nobleman finally reached the top of the raven. There inside the pen was a unicorn. Suddenly, the hunters heard a noise. Above them stood animals of every kind, and another unicorn. Soon, the unicorn finally met her beloved unicorn with her father and mother. The end of the story. Thank you for listening, Little Listener's Library.